Hello. Now I'm gonna show you how to use the Google Ad Pack here in After Effects. First, open the Final Comps folder. You can see the compositions here with categories, and you can also see the size of the composition that you want to use. You can choose one of them. For example, I choose this one. Then you can open it. Here you see three composition, two text composition and one placeholder composition. You can also find these compositions here in edit comps menu. Here you can see the composition and the text here also. Then first open the edit placeholder, drop your image here, delete the other one, scale it down, adjust the size and position like this. Should be good. Then you can open the text composition. You can change the text simply. I'm gonna keep it this also. Let's see. And here in the composition you can see the color and setting layer. Click on it and you can adjust the position of the text and placeholders, and all the colors. Here for example you can change it to sorry the overlay and box. Let's see. Then you can go back here in the main composition. You can adjust the duration of your composition by dragging the end of the composition like this, and for example 3 seconds maybe, and then trim your work area to the composition. Go to composition here and add to render queue and render it out, and that's it for using this package. Hope you enjoy and thank you for watching.